push my suitcase. It's 4:45. We're on the way to the airport. We're ready to go. This is all part of the airport journey. Where is the Los Angeles? Whatever, we're going to Los Angeles, guys. So we're in a place trying to get a car. Patiently waiting. I did not pack correctly, guys. If only you guys could see what I packed and the weather that's here right now. This is gonna go bad. Alright, so we finally got the rental. I'm tired and hungry. But I will say the last time we were here, my suitcase broke in half from the plane. So my suitcase this time around is perfect. It is very dirty, but it's okay. But I'll see y'all when we get to wherever we're going. Anyways, we went to our favorite spot, Hilltop. Last time when we came to California.
Oh my god.
Anyways, I got the iced latte, vanilla iced latte with almond milk. Do your thing. We're gonna try my overnight oats.
Oh my god.
I'm very picky when it comes to my overnight oats. If anyone knows me, they know I'm obsessed with it.
That bit butter. It's so good. Oh my god.
It's not bad.
That means it ain't that good.
It's not the best I've had, but it is good.
It looks like it's busting.
Alright, let's quickly try this. I mean, I've tried this before, but we're going to try it on camera for you guys, and then I'm going to cut it because I want to eat normally.
Basically, like a badass.
Out for the first time, rating already a 3. I told him it gives me cookout vibes. If you all been to In-N-Out before and you like it, tell me how you feel about it.
He's gonna lie. We all know it's trash.
I have never tried it nor had it. I can't eat the bread because I'm gluten-free. So fries it is what I will be trying today. And the strawberry shake. In-N-Out strawberry shake.
Trash.
Give it a 1.
Damn.
You can have that. Fries. Well, they're definitely not great. But I will say they have a lot of salt on them, which that weighs it out. Good morning. I'm tired. Look at this view. So we're at the second Airbnb. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna give you a little tour of it and show you how it looks. So what My hair looks like a mess. I just washed it. We went to our favorite spot. Juice it up.
Your favorite spot. Get the.
The first one is this. I was gonna get this one, but he ended up getting it, so that's great because I can try it.
Bro, man, give me my drink.
This is the one I got. It's called the Protein Blast. Has like a bunch of like fruit in it. I guess that's kind of hard. It's actually really good. Alrighty guys, we're currently hiking at Joshua Tree National Park. If you guys can see, a bunch of rocks. Look at the mountain. My hair, excuse the hair. The wind is a little bit all over the place. If anyone comments about me wearing this hoodie every single day, I have worn it every single day because I didn't pack for this weather. But right now, I'm just walking around, enjoying the view, and kind of seeing, like, look at these rocks. I want to get on that rock. Oh, you guys can't see it. I want to get on that rock. That rock right there. But I won't be able to. I will say the trail to go up the rocks, it's starting to decrease and have no more. I'm a little bit upset by that because I want to climb. I want to jump. Should I jump? Alright, stay tuned. I'll be back once I find another path. Whee! I have some more to climb, but I'm not going to climb that today. Because we have to go back down. And we have to climb down there to him. Yay. Alrighty guys, so we're at the other Airbnb. This is going to be the third one. Let me show you guys around a little bit. It's pretty nice. It's kind of simple. The outside has a lot of more interactions or attractions. In this house, kind of like the same. This is like a very Joshua Tree vibe. So if you can tell, majority of each Airbnb kind of has the same aesthetic, maybe like a different color. But now we're gonna show you, if I can open it, we're gonna show you the outside. I think, Ashley, it's 45 degrees in Joshua Tree. Why would you go swimming? Because it's mother heated. It's the hair. I was in the car for 3 hours, but we finally made it to the last Airbnb. The last 2 days, we're just gonna be doing a hotel because we're gonna be outside majority of the time. But guys, look at this view. I'm gonna try to do a drone shot too and bring it into the footage, but like, hold up, I got you guys. fucking wheezing. Currently in the hills, Calabasas to be exact. And I'm just walking, trying to like take in this view. Hopefully you guys can hear me with these headsets because I don't know. But I'm trying to go all the way up there. There's a hill behind it that's higher. But this is the view so far. This is what I call a view. Alrighty, I'm doing a little check-in because this past day I've been kind of vacant with recording. I did do a bunch of shots on my phone. So last Airbnb we're going to be at, we're going to a hotel for the last 2 days because we're going to do a bunch of like outside activities. But I'm going to insert clips from, I went running and the view was immaculate. Oh my god, I've never been to California, and just being in the hills and seeing how much you can actually see is crazy. I actually brought my drone as well, so you guys will get to see some of the drone clips. I'm going to try to do more, but since I missed out on the other 3 days, I did what I could with this last day at the Airbnb, but we'll see. We're going to get some breakfast. We're going to go to Hilltop, which y'all saw in the beginning of the video. That was our spot. But yeah, we might go out and do some things and kind of check around. Today might be like a relaxing day, just the scenery. So I've never really been in downtown LA, but we'll see. See y'all soon. Alrighty guys, so we went to Petersen Automotive and we're on the 2nd floor. Just Porsches. This whole floor is just Porsches. Guys, this is beautiful. Alright, so we just finished with the museum. It was so much fun. I found out that there was an underground vault as well, but they were closed in like 10 minutes, so I wasn't able to see it. If I have time, I might come back tomorrow and try to see it, but I probably won't because we're going to be filming all day. So, but it was really nice to see. It was really fun, and there were so many nice cars, and you know, I had to go to the 2nd floor to see those Porsches because one day I'm gonna get a Porsche, and when I get a Porsche, I made it. Alright, so we're still walking. We have these mountains behind us. We're going to there and we're going to see a huge waterfall. So stay tuned. So we're currently packing. We're a little bit late to the airport, but much usual. If you can see me in the back. Time to go back to Miami. What is up, guys? I almost forgot to film an outro, so here we are. But I can't hear anything out of my ears. I have a fat headache, and I am extremely tired. But we're finally home. I'm just finishing unpacking. It's a mess. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm gonna go to bed after I finish packing, because I'm tired. Love you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.